Hello guys, welcome back and my name is Vikas Patil and today we will discuss about new concept which is DBMS means data management system. So in this video we will discuss about what is the use of data management DBMS means data management system and how to manage our data in our industrial purpose. So let's take an example. Suppose we collect data from student from the college. So suppose we have a limited student like 100 200, then we will manage their data like name, standard and address, date of birth, etc. But in the topmost colleges there are the huge amount of student, okay, like thousands of students. So these students data is difficult to manage this data. So how will we manage this data? So we use the data management system. So in this system we will manage the data by table, rows and column format. So this technique is used mostly used in industrial areas like and or colleges to store the data. And by using DBMS there are some advantages, like we fetch the data anywhere or multiple users can fetch this data anywhere. Like suppose we want name of any student, so then we simply fetch this data of particular student. The DBMS system is manipulated by the queries like select data from tables. Like this, some queries are used to fetch the data from database. So what will be used to manage this data? Then then in the market the number of softwares are available like SQL, MySQL, etc. These softwares are we simplify the manage our data. Suppose we use MySQL. In MySQL we use we manage the data from in the simple format. Like we create a table by using queries or command create table name. So these queries are used to manage or manage the data or store the data. If you fetch any kind of data, then we fire the query like select from select. We use the select command used to select the particular columns. And suppose we filter the data, then we use the where clause. So that's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video.